Welcome to the REI Cloud how-to videos. In this session, I'll guide you through the business details screen and explain all the features it has to offer. To access this screen, just click on Business in the toolbar on the left-hand side. On the business details screen, a toolbar along the top lets you navigate the Details, Banking, Account, Document, and Zero screens. You can also add documents to the document management section, which we will cover shortly. If we click on the Reports button, we can then look at all of the business reports. Let's first start with Business Ledger. From here, we can view the current period, current financial year, or a range of periods. We can then select those periods below. We can also view pending transactions on the business report. Simply click Preview to have the report display on the screen. The Business Ledger report then shows us all the transactions linked to the business during that period or periods that we are viewing. It will then give us a grand total of all the charges at the bottom of the report. Let's now look at the business income breakdown full report. This report will show us all the transactions linked to the business ledger for period or periods and group those transactions based on the account code. It will then provide us with a subtotal for each account code, as well as a grand total of all transactions at the bottom of the report. Next, let's dive into the business income by portfolio report. This report offers an overview of the total income received for each portfolio. It not only summarizes the overall income, but also provides a breakdown by account code. This breakdown helps you with analyzing the financial performance of each portfolio and understanding where revenue is coming from in greater detail. The next report that we'll look at is the Business Income Summary Report. True to its name, this report provides a concise overview of total income by account code for a single period, financial year, or a range of periods that you select. It's an excellent tool for quickly assessing the overall income of the business, offering a snapshot into the financial performance at a glance. Finally, let's explore the Business Income Summary month-by-month report. This report shows the income by account code and provides a monthly total for each month within the financial year. This will start in July and end in the following June of each year. It offers a detailed overview of how income varies month to month throughout the financial year. On the business details screen, you can upload your business logo. To upload your logo, click Upload Logo, then browse the device to select your image. Once chosen, the logo will be saved in REI Cloud. This logo will appear on your statements, receipts, and tax invoices. Now let's examine the details screen, beginning with business details. This section shows us the information as per your REI Cloud account. If you need to update any of these details, please email or submit a support request with the necessary changes. Next, we have address details, which displays the address of your business. This section can be edited at any time. Finally, we have contact details. Similar to address details, this section can be updated at any time. Here you can add and modify your business contact information, including phone number, mobile number, and email address. Next, let's examine the banking section. Here you'll enter information for both the general account and the trust account. Starting with disbursement details, this section will allow you to enter in your general account information. The details you provide here will determine where your income is being paid to during each disbursement. Next, let's review the trust account details. As the name implies, this is where you enter your trust account information. Both the details and banking sections will be finalized during your REI Cloud setup appointment. Finally, we have withhold partial funds. This feature allows you to withhold a specified amount from being disbursed to the business during an interim or end-of-month disbursement. Moving on to the accounts screen. This screen will show us all transactions linked to the business ledger, and by default, it will be the current period that displays. Through this screen, we can search for a transaction, view transactions based on a period, such as June, July, August, view transactions based on a transaction type, such as charges, payments, journals, or receipts, view transactions based on a financial year, and view pending transactions. We can also view the business balance. This screen is a great snapshot that allows us to see how much the business would be paid if we were to do a disbursement right now. Let's now explore the transactions header. With this header, I can order each column in ascending or descending order. Using the account code column as an example, you can see here I've got them ordered based on alphabetical order. I can also click on the filter button and look at specific account codes, such as holiday advertising. By clicking on the transactions details button, I can see where a transaction has come from and what ledger it has gone to. I can then also choose to edit a transaction. This is applicable for any pending or transactions in the current period. I can change the description, account code, or the amount. Once I've saved the transaction, I can then also look at any transactions that I want to delete. Simply by clicking on the trash can icon, I can delete a transaction. This is only applicable for any transactions within the current period or are marked as pending. Let's now look at document. This is where we can see any documents that are attached to the document management system in REI Cloud. To add a document, we simply click on Add Document. In the screen, we can attach the document to a document category, add a date that the document was uploaded, and also pop in a description about the document. We then click on Add Files, and we can then browse our device to add the file. I'm going to attach a fee schedule document here and click Open, and then I'm going to click on the Upload button. This will then upload it into the document management. Once completed, I can then close this screen and the document will appear here. Once the document's there, I can search documents. I can also order any documents attached using the header. I can also click on the filter button to filter the documents. I can then click on re-download. I can edit the document category or description for the document. And I can also delete the document from the document management. By clicking Action, we can also email the documents saved in document management. Once you click Email to Business, the email screen will appear. You can select a template from the pre-existing option or compose your own message in the text box. Additionally, you can attach files and CC any other email addresses that need to receive this message. As you can see, I'm adding a brief message here, and once completed, I can then click Send, and my email has been sent. The final screen to review is the Xero section. REI Cloud integrates with Xero, allowing you to upload your business earnings directly to your Xero account. This feature is available only with the Professional or Premier editions of REI Cloud. Similar to the Accounts screen, you can search transactions, view them by period or financial year, and sort the columns using the header. Additionally, you can use the filter button to view specific chart of accounts. As you can see, I'm removing some of the lines so that I can view certain chart of accounts in this screen. That concludes our how-to video on the business details screen. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our future videos for more helpful insights.